Subscribe and press bell icon and never miss another update from Tweak Library.
Did you know Snapchat has rolled out the first of its mini apps with new mindfulness and meditation tool from Headspace? The mini app will allow friends to share meditation sessions together. If you are wondering how to use this, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick guide that will help you to get the proper know-how. First, you need to update the Snapchat app. After updating, open the app. Then tap on chat at the bottom left of your screen. Then select a friend whom you want to do meditation with. Next, tap on the rocket icon, tap on Headspace, and then tap on this arrow icon and then send this session with that friend. Once you get into a session with your friend, you will get to see they are joining throughout with their Bitmoji character displayed at the bottom of the screen. And by tapping this chat box icon at the bottom left of the screen, you can leave the session. You can also find so many games and other interesting things. This is an interesting game. Just tap on Let's Do It and tap on Pick Randomly and share it with your friends to have fun. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like it. If yes, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.